Hey guys, and welcome to PJ's Coin Capers. So this is a coin I've been wanting to show you for a long while. It's a coin that I've always wanted to own, and especially as a coin collector, it's one of those ones that really everyone should try and get. Uh, Certainly, from an Australian point of view, it has some historical relevance, and that's because this coin is a 1797 two pence coin. Now, it's not an Australian coin; it's a British coin, and as we can see there, it has George the Third, and it was minted in 1797. So I picked up these coins not long ago. I paid around the $30 mark each, which I was very happy with. And the first one I bought, which is the one on the right, I was quite happy with. And then the second one came up, which was slightly better in some ways, but for around the same price. So I thought, look, I'll grab them both. And so this particular coin was used in Australia in the early days. So prior to the currency proclamation of 1800. So this particular coin, when it was introduced into Australia, well, as it is right now in Britain, is a two pence coin. Not currently circulated, but it's a two pence coin. That was its value. But here in Australia, the value was four pence. Now, this is Britain's heaviest and largest coin. Okay, so let's have a look at the detail on this coin. So this is commonly referred to as a cartwheel two pence, or a cartwheel penny, but it's worth two pence, so tuppence. So let's have a little look at it. So this is George the Third. So we'll have a look at both sides, and you can see there's differences in the detail that's on these coins, but there's a lot more markings, deeper gouges on the one on the left, and I'll look at the text, and we'll have a look at the opposite side, which is the Britannia side. This particular one, you can see the cartwheel, why it's called a cartwheel, and that's Britannia. So this one here, you can see that it's worn off, and she's holding a branch, and you can clearly see that on this particular one. But unfortunately, it does have these extra markings on it. But still, it's a lovely coin, and certainly it's a great addition to my collection. So let's have a look at these coins a little bit closer, because, like I said, they are the largest British coins, and they're certainly heavy. So I've got my scales here. Now, these guys here are 41 millimeters. Okay, so it's a nice, big, large coin, and look at the width on that. It is a big coin. So if we put on the scales here, and we'll put them on there. So that one is 55.6 grams and 55.2. So basically, these coins are 2 ounces. Okay, so it's 2 ounces of copper in these coins, and these were minted in Birmingham, in the UK, in 1797, and they made a total number of 722,160 of them. So yeah, we would class that as a low mintage coin. So I've got some example. Here's an Australian penny. We put that up against that there, and just to give you an understanding of size, if you're familiar with our pennies, if you have any in your collection, that just shows you the difference. They're both copper coins, and let's compare it to Australia's largest coin, which is the 50 cent. put that up against there. And you can just see how big these coins are and how chunky they are. They are heavy. And I couldn't imagine having more than a couple of these in your pocket at any time. So a very big heavy coin, and just a comparison to our $1 coin. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this look at the Cartwheel penny from 1797. Certainly plenty available on eBay. These things can be worth thousands in uncirculated condition, but I'm quite happy to own these couple. I think there are some really heavily worn versions of these coins on eBay. I don't think they're worth buying. I think they're worth getting where you can at least read the detail, and you can see that the text around the edge of the coin is very close, and these coins would be dropped, and as they get dropped, they get squished, and they get closer. The text will get closer to the edge. So beautiful coin, nice heavy addition to anyone's collection, and certainly if you're interested in the history of Australian coins, this is one you need to have. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I look forward to bringing more videos to you soon.